try it again.
Hello.
Hello. So today the plan is to attempt to get the back body off of the Zill. The Zill back body is currently full of stuff, mostly organ
This is
stuff.
not what we rehearsed.
What did we rehearse? We didn't rehearse anything.
Yes, we did last night.
Did we?
By now, you're all aware of the fact that we're converting this truck
God.
into an organ
This
chamber.
is why we should be scripted. Oh yeah, let's convert that into an organ chamber.
But of course, we're not going to be taking this, we're converting this box into an organ chamber, but we're not going to be taking this lorry to the festival.
Yeah.
Because, well, just look at it.
Yeah, yeah.
So we've got to put this box on this lorry, but first we've got to get this box off of this lorry.
And that's it. Go.
Oh!
Hello! So, some of you may be aware that we're going to build an organ into this back body, this old horse box that we've been doing a lot of work on for the last couple of weeks. But we're not going to be using it on that lorry because that lorry is knackered. We're going to put it on, and it's not cool. That lorry is much more cool and less knackered and six-wheel drive and generally more fun. So the plan for today is to try and get the box off of this lorry and presumably move the contents, which is mostly organ stuff, into that one for now as a temporary organ store. So does that sound feasible?
Yeah, I reckon. And then once we're down to a chassis cab with the Zill, we can then fix all the things that are wrong with it more easily.
Yeah. We can hopefully fix all the things that are wrong with it. Can we remember how this one was attached to that chassis? It was a long time ago.
Well, first thing, Mark, is to empty what we got here.
We need to put it somewhere.
Yeah, we'll put it in here. What's the wasp situation, Mark?
Well, it appears that my work a few days ago on getting rid of that wasp nest, or at least mitigating it, has worked. There's no wasps. Probably means there's been some damage to the inside of this wind chest, which is annoyingly one of the wind chests that we actually did some work on before and got working. Bit of work at some point. There's a lot of dead wasps around, but no live ones. So far so good.
Our plan, such as it is to uncouple the box from the chassis here, put it on rollers and then inch it backwards off the Zill onto my big trailer. Before we can do that though, the box isn't the same level all the way through. We've got this bit here, so I'm going to have to cut the corners off basically.
Okay, so just out into the middle a bit.
Yeah.
We need to start it first. Is there anything I need to know?
Make sure it's in neutral. maximum length on that. That's on there.
Interestingly, it's not rolling on the thing now, it's just dragging.
Yeah, because they're on the bracket.
Aha.
So
Yeah.
another 6 inches and we'll chop the brackets off.
Yeah.
Right, so we'll make a big bang in a moment.
Well, this is all bringing back memories. We're not kind of far off now.
Okay, carry on.
Yeah, it suddenly all went. That's now moving really easy now.
Stop.
Yeah,
Don't do anything at all.
okay. Is there danger? Yeah.
Come off.
Oh, I see.
Come off the rail. It's just sat on this at the moment.
Yeah.
So it's entirely possible for it to go sideways. It's actually more likely to go sideways than anything else. This is what we should have fitted from the off.
Yeah, well.
If we carry on until that pipe drops out,
Yeah.
it's still not going to contact this pipe. It's still going to be dragging on the chassis.
Yeah.
I'm just thinking whether it's worth deflating the tyres on the Hill.
Bit more.
Yeah. Yeah, that'll do. Don't reach some more.
Yeah.
I think at this point we'll lower the tyres and just put it straight onto the pallets.
Yeah.
Let's put it on a couple of blocks.
Yeah.
Lovely.
Well, let's try. We should be on the blocks at that point. almost free of the Zill.
So with that body off of the Zill, that concludes this phase of the work. And with the chassis now revealed, we can start to have a think about what we need to do to get the Zill up to not just roadworthy, but a sensible level of roadworthiness for modern roads.
Yeah. 21st century roads.
Mainly the brakes is what we're thinking.
Yeah.
But for now, we're just going to leave it running to pump the tyres up and park it back where it was and go and have a cup of tea.
Sounds very good to me.
See you next time.